Okay, YouTube, here's how you put LED lights in a 2008 Polaris Sportsman 4x4. Here's the problem. These front headlights are very, very difficult to find. The other problem is you can't take that bolt out to remove the headlight assembly without removing the entire top rack. Problem number 2. LEDs are much, much bigger than your standard light bulb. So, what I figured out, if you remove the lens cover from the front of the assembly and you take a step bit and drill through the front, then the LEDs fit perfect. I'm going to give you the part number, and I'll leave the part number in the description for these LEDs. But I got them from a company called Gensi. Here's the part number, 2XB-80W-W. Be sure and leave a like, comment, share. Hope this helps somebody out. Have a great day.